Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install snow chains. If your car is front wheel drive, install the chains on the front wheels. If your car is rear wheel drive, install them on the rear. If it's all wheel drive, check out the owner's manual. First of all, make sure your chains actually fit your tires. This is a dimension of my tires. These are the tire sizes these chains can fit on, and you can see my tire size right here. Take your chains out of the box and make sure everything is untangled. Yellow end of the chains has to be on the left side. In case you don't have the same colors as me, just remember that this yellow blue line has to go on the inner side of the wheel. Now I'm gonna pull the yellow end behind the wheel and connect it with the blue end on top. Once we connected yellow and blue end, we have to connect this gold hook with first available gold link. Now you have to push the connected yellow and blue end behind the wheel. After that, we need to connect this remaining part of the chain with the other side. Pull it as hard as you can. Now just pull this part through this link on the other side. And again, connect it on the other side. If you can't reach the other side with this part, you can connect it over here. Just make sure everything is as tight as possible. Now just drive the car for a couple of meters, and if there's any slack, you can retighten it. In the middle, your chains should have a diamond shape like this. This procedure is much more simpler than it seems. I would recommend you try installing them at home before you really need to use them in real winter conditions. Maximum speed you should do with snow chains typically ranges from 30 to 50 kilometers, and you definitely shouldn't exceed that because you could damage your vehicle. And that's it. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.